and different activities. Even in the House, in certain areas, our members should be allowed to use the languages, the local languages, which is our indigenous language of both Khasi and Garo, during certain debates that take place, as that will also be a signal to the rest of the people of the state and to the country as a whole, that we as a government and as legislatures are not just demanding it, but we are also practicing it by ensuring that the House also is adopting the language and allowing the members to speak in Khasi or in Garo language. Mr. Speaker, sir, Snyoba, I lad baki members ki kren daka Khasi and Garo hapo Assembly. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, anga ya chol kurai nang nitru anchini Honorable Speaker kuang mulas kinga anchini languages rangko promote kanas kamodi Garo aro Khasi language ko promote kanas kamodi anchini debate rango Garo aro Khasi language ko chakalna anchini member rangna chol ko nanga. So we should allow our members to speak in Garo and in Khasi, especially during the debates like the governor's debate, the governor's address, or the budget, or even resolutions and motions. At least we can make a start somewhere. And therefore, sir, I think these are steps. It's a process. It's not something that we can immediately say that it will be done tomorrow. But I think every effort being made by each and every one of us at every level will be a message to the government of India that we are very firm in our demand so that Khasi and Garo language can be included in the 8th schedule. And I think each one of us should do whatever we can to promote that. I would request our different organizations also, the different societies that have been working tirelessly, that they should also give representations to the central government so that this long pending demand and a very fair demand should be accepted by Government of India.
Sri Mayralborn Syiem, you can seek one more clarification if you need.
Yeah.
Honorable Deputy Speaker, sir, on record, I would like to express my sincere thanks to the Honorable Chief Minister for the elaborate response towards the recognition of Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India. Allow me to speak in Khasi few words.
Yes.
Usambut Shongkonor Badan Burom Lengba Jonghi Ngasmo Banai Kubli Kerpang Ya Menteri Rengba Badan Burom Jongka Jela Jongi Iba Conrad Sangma Ibala Simkia Naga Benta Kumno Ban Persang Baga Ktien Khasi Baga Ktien Garo Gede Bandrung Haga Kernit Kapapra So Banai Kubli Kerpang Ru Ya Ki Longdin Gijungi Kinong Yalam Gibalale Nadu Kapor Jong APHLC Kinong Yalam Apo Ka Lama Panyukun Nong Tag Jingyo Ya Gejela Kedi Gijing Snow Ladon Lupa Ba Ktien Baper Ke Pengikren Kedi Banyo Gijing Itu Ka Bakerpang Lombaga Kernit Ka Bapra Jong Garti Penia Jong Gari India Ka Bagi Gijungi Margata Ngashim Ngene Ka Kabu Banai Kubli Kerpang Ya Kinong Yalam Gibalalik No Kibakentup Ya Ki Chief Minister Menteri Rangba Baper Ki Menteri Sorkar Baper Kinong Yalam Hagi District Council Baper Kirang Ba Shnong Kiru Rangba Kibla Yano Kti Hagabedi Bat Kijing Penkrau Ika Ktin Ngajungi Nimla Ban Klep Ya Khasi Author Society Ya Achik Literature Society Kibla Trishtom Bat Nyingit Scam Bagani Kijing Persang Ban Ngamarajin Banong Bagarai Kabagani Kijing Dorbar Kalarai Agar Nyutrik November Arhajar Hatpra Naga Bentaban Telilang Bagaktin Khasi Bagaktin Garo Kadi Benyo Kijing Itu Kernit Kapapra Ngamarajin Banong Bagajing Teli Jong Baru Andri Pungut Ki MLA Kanlong Cisha kejing kerku na ke benta kari berkejai bendri kejungi ban ke martin manong na kejing alam kejung beli try kenran ngi scam bagi ke berok kejing persang kejungi pangin lak ban poi show thong jang kejing jok te langba jung ki sembut song kenor badan buram so ban pha ek kejing beli ke kerpang bat langba jung ni ka mat ka bingiyo ban ya keren ingi scam begini kejing persang ini I bakin urlong hakawi keski. Thank you so much, sir, for allowing me to speak through this call attention. Thank you.
Thank you.
Since 2014, our country